Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the new mythical epic Riptide. This will probably be a two-parter, but I'm surprised it came out today, I'm pretty sure, because normally it would come out on June 7th, because that is the first Tuesday in June, but I was wrong, so let's just watch this. Okay, so here we go. Get ready to ride the wave. Riptide is here. Dive into a new quest today. So that was a pretty short video, but now let's go and complete the tasks. Okay, so here we are, new epic tasks. We can collect surfboards. Okay, where would Arctic corals will probably, on Shipwreck Shore, and then this will be, Skywatch. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and collect the surfboards first, and there's also the new, silhouette, I'm pretty sure, for Flora Fox. That is on the Prodigy game.com/main, or just on like the Prodigy. If you look at Prodigy Mythical Epics and then go down, you can see the hidden thing for that. But let's get into finding these. Okay, so let's go up. Okay, we can make our way around this trip trap right here. Let's try and get around it. Okay, there we go. So if we open up the chest, come on. We did get a surfboard. There's nothing to the left. Let's open up this chest. It takes so long for it to do it. Because I'm like, yeah, there, finally. We didn't get anything. Okay, let's head up. Okay, we can't make it around this sneak. Okay, let's go up. There's a chest. I don't think there's any to the left, but we will check just in case there isn't. And let's check in here. This takes so long. Okay, we got nothing. And let's go up. Okay, we can make our way around both of these. And also, you're going to need at least a teacher membership for this, which isn't actually that hard to get. Okay, so out of this, we get another surfboard, so now we have two. Okay, I'm not 100% sure if I was filming, but when we opened that up, we got a surfboard. So let's head left. Okay, so now we'll head up. And there's a chest, or whatever you'd want to call it, right there. And we got our third surfboard. We only need one more. And there's a chest. And we didn't get a surfboard. Hopefully we can get all the surfboards in this one go. Okay, there's a chest. I don't think there are any up there, but I will check. Okay, we aren't going to have to check because we just got all four. Okay, we're not going to collect those, but we are going to go do the next task. So let's do the next task, which will be getting compasses in Skywatch. I don't expect to complete this one because there aren't that many chests here, but let's try. So I'm 95% sure there aren't any chests down there. So let's go right. There's a balloon. I will make my way around the hub. Okay, so let's open the balloon, or pop it, and we did get a compass, so I think there's one past here, but we will see. I think there's one down there. So we'll make our way around the sneak and go down where I think there will be one. Okay, there it is. I don't think we will be able to... Yeah, so we are going to have to do a battle. Okay, let's open this chest. And we got another compass, so now we have 2 out of 5. So I'm just going to go back to the... I mean, I guess I could just... I was going to say that we could just go back to the map and then go left or go right, but this is probably faster. Okay, so we will go up into the factory or whatever you want to call this. There is a balloon right there, which I'm not going to go to yet. I'm going to go to this one. And we didn't get a compass. So we have two, so we only need 3 more. We can make our way past this. And we might be able to get this. Okay, we can, and we don't get a compass. So we will fight this Aeros, I think. Cogmite. Okay, so now we will head up. And okay, there might be one up there. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, we will head up now. I'm not 100% sure of this one here, and I don't think there's one up here, so we will just go back and use the map to get back to here. So we will go up because I know there's one up here. Okay, there it is. We are going to have to do 2 battles though. Okay, so now that we have taken out both of those monsters, we do not get a compass. And there's another chest. We will open that up. And we do get a compass. So now I think we have a total of 3 compasses. So let me check. It should be items. Okay, I don't know where they are. But we will go ahead and come back to Skywatch and go down to the left this time. Okay, so there is a balloon. And there's no way to get past that one. So I just got an inactivity kick. And I don't know why I got one. Okay, we are going to have to battle again. I was almost about to beat it. Okay, so I just finished the battle and we need 2 more compasses. So let's see what we get from this balloon. Nothing good. So we will make our way past this Squawks and to the next chest. I think there are 2 more, so we have to get both of them with a compass. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one up. We need to get a compass, and there will be a part 2 to this. Okay, so now we have to battle 1 or 2 more to get to that balloon. Now to see if we can make our way past this monster. Okay, we can. Hopefully we get 1 compass here. Okay, so we are going to need to get 1 more, but 4 is pretty good. So now we will go on to whatever it is in Shiver Chill that we need. Arctic corals. So there will be 1 or 2 up. I think there's 1 up here. So we will go up here. And there it is. We are going to have to battle a ruckus. Okay, so here we go. Let's open this one up and hopefully we can get off to a good start. We do not. We hit shivers. Hopefully this will not have to go to 3 parts. Okay, so there's a snow up there, but we will come back to that later. So now we're going to head up. And we are going to go right. And down. We'll wait for this cloaker to pass by. And go around it. So there's a snow right there. We still get nothing out of it, and we are going to have to battle this, but it should only be a 1. It's 2. So now we will head left, and there's 1 right there. Finally, we got our first Arctic coral. There isn't 1 right here, but we are going to go ahead and get the snow pile that's down there, or to the left. So we are going to head left now and get our snow pile. once we battle this ice sneak. Okay, so let's open this one. And we got shivers, so we only have one coral right now, which is not good. So we will go ahead and go right. We will get pretty much a free pass all the way. Because, yeah, this is going to be a ghost. As long as it doesn't magically turn to, I was going to say that if it didn't magically turn into a monster again. And I clicked on settings. So if it didn't turn into a monster again, we are going to be fine. So let's go and face this cloaker. Hopefully we get a coral out of this one. And again, we don't. We only have one. And I think we only have like 3 or 4 more. Bro, I hate how they don't have this monster over here anymore. That's really annoying because you just get 2 battles in a row. It's kind of weird why they did that. I don't understand why. Now that I've done those 2 battles, let's open this chest. And more shivers. We only have like 2 or 3 more to go. So let's just go up here. Okay, so let's open this chest. And we finally got a second one. Okay, let's go up. A box over there. I don't know if there's one over here, but I will check. Just in case. Okay, so there is no chest up here, but let's go to this. I think this one only has 2. Okay, so I think this will be the last chest, but I will check the other 2. So we have 3 Arctic corals now, which is half of what we need. So there definitely will be a part 2 to this. So yeah, that is all of them. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you will be notified, or you will see when part 2 comes out, and bye.